Did you know that diabetes is a silent stalker that preys on millions of lives globally? But what if there's a glimmer of hope? What if there's a natural way to reverse this condition? Welcome to a journey of discovery in Unlocking the Secrets. Reverse diabetes naturally. Picture this. Your first step towards reversing diabetes lies in the power of your plate. By weaving a colourful tapestry of nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables into your meals, you can stabilise your seesawing blood sugar levels and bolster overall health. Seek out foods that are low on carbohydrates but high on fibre. Think leafy greens, berries and avocados. Next, consider physical activity as your secret weapon in this battle against diabetes. Regular exercise makes your body a more efficient machine, helping it use insulin more effectively and lowering blood sugar levels. Strive for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity like brisk walking or cycling 5 times a week. But remember, it's always a good idea to have a chat with your healthcare provider before diving into a new exercise routine. On top of diet and exercise, managing stress can be a game changer in reversing diabetes. Chronic stress is like a quiet thief, silently raising your blood sugar levels and deteriorating your overall health. Delve into relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Discover activities that soothe your mind and make self-care a priority. Knowledge is power. Equip yourself with the latest research, dietary guidelines, and lifestyle modifications. Understand the impact of different foods on your blood sugar levels and choose wisely. Keeping a close eye on your blood sugar levels is key to identifying patterns and tracking your progress. Collaborate with your healthcare provider to devise an effective monitoring routine that fits your lifestyle. By staying vigilant, you can make informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle choices. Remember, reversing diabetes naturally isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a gradual process that demands patience and dedication. You may not see significant changes overnight, but every small step you take counts. Remain steadfast with your healthy habits and celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Thank you for joining us in Unlocking the Secrets, Reverse Diabetes Naturally. If you found this information beneficial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Together, we can unlock the secrets to a healthier life.